of you are excited to know what is EdPlan 2.0. Like I said, tomorrow we will going to have a launching of EdPlan 2.0 Economy Driver Plan 2.0 in Manila, and it will going to do via FB Live. Just follow our Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated Facebook page so that you can be part of our launching of EdPlan. And of course, we will going to recognize also 3,000 gold executive and 15,000 silver executive worldwide. Therefore, this is so much exciting to everyone, and especially to Alliance in Motion Global, especially here also in Africa. Why? Because this EdPlan will going to help many Africans to become multi-millionaire. Therefore, without further ado, allow me to present to you the EdPlan 2.0. Okay, what is EdPlan 2.0? What is the difference of EdPlan 2.0? This is an interloop hybrid system. It's a unique features of a marketing plan where the benefits of one compensation plan is interconnected to one another. Okay, and aside from that, to one another compensation plan, and hence achieving greater bonus or benefits and income potentials. Therefore, please stay tuned. I will going to present to you. Just give me a 5 minutes to 10 minutes so that I can present to you what is the advantage of EdPlan 2.0. Okay, how to join? All you have to do is just buy our Global Package A and Global Package B. In Global Package A, you're going to receive a worth of products of 1,008,500 Ugandan shillings. And for the Package B, you're going to receive a worth of products of 947,200 Ugandan shillings. But the good thing about that, you will going to pay that only for only 899,000 Ugandan shillings. Yes, you're correct. You will going to pay that only for only 898,000 Ugandan shillings. But aside from that, what is the advantage of EdPlan 2.0? EdPlan 2.0 is a value for money. Aside from that, a lifetime discount on all products of Alliance in Motion Global. It's a one-time, lifetime registration. And this is the faster, better, bigger compensation plan nowadays in the industry of multi-level marketing, plus a real-time computation and online daily tracking center. And the good thing about that, like I said before, this is a worldwide business. Like this coming tomorrow, we will going to launch EdPlan 2.0 not only in Africa, but also in the Middle East, also in Asia, and of course, in Europe. Therefore, we are inviting all of you guys to watch this big event of Alliance in Motion Global launching an EdPlan 2.0. And the advantage of EdPlan 2.0, we are giving it as a daily payout. And of course, you know already Alliance in Motion Global, they have a proven system. That's why we are encouraging all of you to see, to check, and to be part of EdPlan 2.0. Plus, this is the exciting one. We will going to create a lot more multi-millionaires because of EdPlan 2.0. Therefore, are you ready now? Are you ready now? Therefore, let us check what is the compensation plan of EdPlan 2.0. Of course, we're going to have a business platform. What is it? What is it? Binary, Unilevel, StirStep, and of course, Uniplan Pay. Therefore, let's talk about now the binary platform. Of course, we have a direct ED-Pack bonus or direct EdPack bonus, plus match sales bonus. Let's talk about now the EdPack bonus. In EdPack bonus, for every purchase or every time you share our EdPack, you're going to receive a 65,000 Ugandan shillings as your bonus. Okay, as your direct referral bonus. Okay, and then the good thing about that, it has a 1,000 product points in every EDP. What else? Okay, a month sales bonus. Okay, in month sales bonus, from right to left, you're going to have a combined points of 2,800. And then once there is a matching, every time there's a sales on left and then the sales on right, the company will going to pay you a 130,000 Ugandan shillings. Then let's check. How is it? Okay, for instance, this is you. You promote, or the company will going to give you a left sales group and right sales group. All you have to do every time you have a 1,400 points on your left, and every time you have a 1,400 points on your right, you're going to have a 130,000 Ugandan shillings. Therefore, if someone you invite, they buy also the EdPack package, okay? And then at the same time, you put that also on the right. Of course, you're going to receive a 65,000 Ugandan shillings as your direct referral. The good thing about that, you will going to have a bonus of month sales bonus of 130,000 Ugandan shillings. Yes, you're correct. 130,000 Ugandan shillings. And what if you teach your left sales group and right sales group to do the same thing what you did? All you have to do is just what? Share, promote, endorse our EdPack packages or our ED packages. Therefore, once someone be interested also to buy an EdPack packages or ED packages, of course, you can put them also on left and right, and then your downlines will going to earn also the same that you earn in this program. And then the good thing about that, your right team also do the same thing. Therefore, you're going to earn, they will going to earn also. But the good thing about that, once our DTC read that you have a sales on left and a sales on right, the company will going to pay you 130,000. 130,000. The good thing about that, the company will going to pay you up to infinity level. As long as you have a sales on left and a sales on right, the company will going to pay you. But of course, the company will going to have also a safety net. For new distributor, you buy our ed packages, you will going to have a 16-month sales bonus per day in 130,000 Ugandan shillings per month. Therefore, in a day, you have a chance to earn 2,080,000 Ugandan shillings. In a week, you will going to have a chance to earn a 14,560,000 Ugandan shillings. But wait, there's more. How about in a month? You have a chance to earn 62,400,000 Ugandan shillings as your potential income as a new distributor. How much is the capital? Only 898,000 Ugandan shillings. Therefore, we are inviting all of you. If you are looking for an opportunity, the good thing about that, Alliance Emotion Global has a new plan, which is economy driver plan for you to make a lot of money, especially in this time. Now, how this distributor will become upgraded, all they have to do is just buy our reorder, just only 2 personal points, and then they will going to be upgraded to 10-10 cycle. Do you want to know how much you're going to earn if you upgraded your account now to 10-10, or if your account already upgraded? Let's check. You will going to have a 20-month sales bonus per day at 130,000 pairing bonus or month sales bonus. Therefore, 10-10, in a day, you have a chance to earn 2,600,000 Ugandan shillings. In a week, you have a chance to earn 18,200,000 a week. And in a month, you will going to have a 78 million Ugandan shillings gross income. Therefore, we are inviting all of you. This is your chance now to change your life, especially Ugandans who are watching this presentation of ours, especially if you are Africans. Guys, if you are looking and wanted to make money in the industry of MLM, this is the right company for you. Why? Because Alliance in Motion Global has a proven system already, has already stable company, and assure you, we will going to give you your income via daily payout. We are the only company are giving daily payout. Therefore, we are encouraging all of you to be part of EdPlan 2.0. That's why to those, our distributor who are watching this, okay, keep on sharing this. Especially next week, we will going to have a whole week presentation of EdPlan 2.0. Therefore, grab it now, invite all your friends, invite all your loved ones to watch our presentation. And one thing I will going to guarantee you, you will going to change also your life. And let's check. Once you reach a 500 first pair onwards match sales bonus, you have a chance to earn now 24 MSB per day, but 120 per match. Okay? Therefore, you have a chance to earn now 80,000 Ugandan shillings, 20,160,000 Ugandan shillings, and then in a month, you have a chance to earn 86,400,000 Ugandan shillings. Are you excited? Are you excited for this? Actually, many Ugandans now, many distributors of Alliance in Motion Global, they are excited. We are ready now to propagate, to share the EdPlan 2.0. Therefore, don't be left behind. Don't just watch us. Be part of the next wave of Alliance in Motion Global here in Africa. And I tell you, once you be part and do your part also, I'll tell you, you will going to become one of multi-millionaire of Alliance in Motion Global, not only in Africa, probably in the whole world. Then next, what is the advantage of multiple accounts? Of course, if you have a 3 business center, you have a chance to earn 187,200 in a month. And of course, once you have a 7 business account, you have a chance to earn 436,800 Ugandan shillings. But what if it become upgraded? The good thing about that, you have a chance to earn 234 million Ugandan shillings in just only 3 business center. And once you have a 7 business center, you have a chance to earn 546 million Ugandan shillings every month. That's why the advantage of Alliance in Motion Global, we are giving it as your daily income and also a payout. And of course, our monthly income, we are also have a uni-level platform and overriding commission, okay? 5% product commission points plus 5% product commission points to direct, first level up to 10th generation. And then, third step platform is overriding commission, okay? Income based on rank differentials, okay? Earn commission on all group products reorder and add package down the line. Okay, how is it? Okay, the group sales accumulation, no time frame, no reversion, no demotion, no pass up. Okay, once you become a silver executive, you're going to get a 10%. Okay, 20% for gold executive, 30% for global ambassador, and 35% for ruby global ambassador, and 40% for diamond global ambassador. And the good thing about that, we have also additional rebates. If you are doing also direct selling, you're going to receive additional personal rebates. Okay? It depends also on your ranking. Okay? You will going to have additional personal rebates. Okay? How about the good thing about that, we have a UniPay plan platform. Okay. Distributor will enjoy commission from first level up to the 20th level following their stair-step genealogy. Okay. First to third level, 5%. Fourth to eighth level, 4%. 9 to 15th level, 3%. 16 to 17th level, 4%. And of course, 18 to 20th level, 5%. Okay. Payout bank partners. Okay. Our partners here in Uganda, Ecobank, and of course, Stanbic Bank. And what else? AIM Global branches in Uganda. We have already 2 branches here in Uganda. One in Mabirizi or in Kampala. And of course, one here in Mbarara or western part of Uganda. Then, of course, this is our customer hotline. If you have some question, you may contact our Mbarara branch and Kampala branch. And of course, payment procedure, you may take a snap picture about this and then you can deposit your payment via Ecobank. And then, of course, we are encouraging also our viewers who are already members of Alliance in Motion Global, buy now our NPP package. Again, buy now our NPP package to all distributors of Alliance in Motion Global so that your account will be migrated to EdPlan 2.0 and you will going to enjoy immediately 130,000 pairing bonus plus a 10-10 cycle. Therefore, if you are ready now, be part of EdPlan 2.0. Okay. Thank you very much to all of you and to all our Uganda